just need an advice.
Okay.
So I need an advice about life.
Wow.
Yes, I'm struggling.
What are you struggling with particularly?
Yes, financially. Sad.
Financially? What do you do?
I do a lot of things. I'm a businessman.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Are you responsible for anybody?
No, I'm not responsible for anybody.
You stay alone? Like, do you pay your house
Yeah,
rent? Do you
yeah, I
like?
pay my house.
Okay. So are you like? Is it that you don't have like anything that is working for you at the moment at all, or you are at a level but you want to go higher? Like, I need to know exactly.
I'm just stagnant.
Stagnant.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you have your basic needs met?
something like that. Yes.
No, I need to be sure about that too. When I mean basic needs, your NEPA bill is paid for, your light, your water bill is paid for.
Those ones are secured.
They are
Just need
secured.
to how to move further.
Okay, so in that case, we now need to know what you do that gives you money. So we'll now look at how we can expand that thing that you're doing to bring more money. That's how it works. That's like the simple mathematics.
Okay, so I did um cosmetics.
Cosmetics, so you sell.
Yeah,
Okay. Do you have a shop? Like
yes,
this,
like
you have a shop. For shop business, it's a bit dicey because um, you cannot really like say you want to move the shop, except you want to make money, open a shop in another place. So that's one. Number two, another way that is faster, that is easy for you, for anybody that is doing shop business, anything you are selling, is that you have to have an online presence. Then you do what we call educational marketing. What do I mean by educational marketing? For example, now I say you sell cosmetics, right? So you can start shooting videos and talking about a particular product. This product is better than this product because this product is better than this. So what will now happen is that you now become an authority. People now start knowing about a certain product or the difference between certain products because of you. So for that reason, people will even be buying from a distance. Like they will be in a distance, so they will say, if I come from work, I go branch that guy's shop. I no go buy, no worry, that guy they get original one. Because now you are telling them the difference between the original and the fake and all of those stuff. For example, the person I will give you example is Aproko doctor. Aproko doctor is not the best doctor in this country. He's not the only doctor in this country. There are people that are way outspoken than him, more handsome than him, more, but they did not come online to tell us anything. But as it stands now, anything Aproko doctor tell us about health, now what everybody go do. Mona buy water now. He's now ambassador of water because he was teaching us buy water. Mona they drink water. You understand? So that's one fast way you can grow your shop business by educating people. Like just when you start, people may not like it. No, don't worry. Just keep educating people. It's called educational marketing. Keep telling them, oh, this product is better than this product because of this. Are you even aware that this product is the Unilever owns this and owns this and owns this? They are not competitors. So just pick the one you like. But people are like, wow, no. Hey, I see your video. So now you to do this video. Hey, I beg, I won't buy this product. Where can I get the original? Can you get me, if I need 3 dozen, can you supply me? I'll be looking for it. No worry, Mark, and get it. You come online, you tell them that, this particular cream, some people say they need it too. And if you need it in bulk, let me know. I can order it for you. I can get it for you. Before you know, you will just get, more customers from places where you don't even know safe. So basically, that's what I can give you for now. But I'll send you a DM, Sha, so we can talk more.
okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a good night. Wow. So here is Zoe.